Hey guys, Aaron Williams here at MarineMax Jupiter. I have the pleasure of bringing you a brand new Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless in Glacier Green. We opted this boat out with twin Mercury 300 V8s. These engines will push this boat to 58 miles an hour and having a cruise speed of 33 miles an hour, burning 2.1 miles per gallon. So great engine option for this boat. Back here on the transom, we've got a nice fishing platform right here with a standard live well or cooler if you choose to use it as such, but also a fantastic seat for when you're cruising with friends and family. Now the interesting feature with this, we opted this boat out with the reversible Helm seat. So at the push of a button, we can flip this down, install our table, and now we have a nice area for everybody to sit, enjoy some cocktails or a meal while you're out at the sandbar, or just enjoying the evening out. So also with this Helm option, you get great tackle storage right here in the back. And then we decided to opt this boat out with the swim patio. So this section here of the boat folds down. So when you're out at the sandbar, you've got a nice area to jump in the water or board the boat. So we'll move over to the Helm and I'll show you all the features that we have there. So above us, as you can see, we color matched the inside of the hardtop here to match the outside of the hull in that glacier green. And we've got a white powder coated structure here with 4 rocket launchers, and it has a ski tow pylon. So you can also use this boat for a little bit of family fun. Here at the Helm, we've got a great command center for 2 people to be sitting here comfortably. Now, a few unique options that this boat has is we went with a 16-inch Simrad screen, just to give you a nice big display screen for all of your chart plotting, engine data, and your fish finder. So we've got dual Mercury electronic throttles, a tilt steering wheel with a standard knob, and our Mercury skyhook now and joystick. So what this is going to do is allow you to operate the boat at low speeds and tight spaces. You have skyhook, which is your virtual anchor, and a heading hold. So that's also kind of like your autopilot as well. This boat does have a nice glove box here, and we went with a full height windshield to really make you feel closed in and protected. And there's a wireless charging pad up here and plugins for your devices. So on this 28-foot Dauntless, we do have a full-size head and a very large storage area. Now our battery switches and our keys are going to be in there, as well as our battery charging system. Up here at the bow, I think this is where the boat really starts to shine, and it's one of my favorite areas to hang out. We have a large sun lounger here, big enough for 2 people. Now the beauty of this is underneath, you have a lockable storage compartment that you can see is very deep and also has an area for all of your rods. Now the rods will go straight back and into the head area, but really maximizing every single inch of space on this boat. So up here we have our seating area with our pop-up backrests. You do have insulated storage and they're drainable under each one. And this boat, we decided to opt out of the filler cushion that goes here. It is an option that you can have, but without it, you really get a lot of space to fit as many people as you want up here, while also giving you access up here to your windlass anchor system and your bow boarding ladder. So just making it very convenient to go to the sandbar, get on and off the boat. And it is equipped with a trolling motor panel. So for those of you who really do like to inshore fish, you've got a great area here to install the trolling motor. Last but not least, in the bow area, we do have an in-floor fish box that is macerated and insulated. So guys, that was some of the quick features that we have on this very unique Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. Now, if you want to see some more of this boat and you want to see it in person, come on down to MarineMax Jupiter, ask for Aaron. We can show you through this boat or others like it. So we hope to see you out on the water.